Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we'll explore the latest One UI 7 software update for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. This is the first time the Samsung Galaxy S25 smartphone has received an update since it was first released. Okay, now let's see what's new and different in this update. Here, when we try to check the software update on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we can see that the software update appears with a new look and design. At the top, there is an image showing several aspects of new designs in One UI 7. In this image, you can see the new updated navbar design. Then there is also a new status bar icon display. And here you can also briefly see slider to adjust volume and brightness. It also shows that the app icons in One UI 7 now come with a new icon style represented by an updated icon in the gallery applications. Interestingly, in this update, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series now includes a seamless update feature. This feature has actually been available on Google Pixel devices for quite some time and was previously available on the Samsung Galaxy A55 series. And now, this seamless update feature is also available on the flagship Samsung Galaxy S25 series. This seamless update feature is a software update and installation process that can be done directly while the phone is still in use, making the update process smoother with minimal downtime. With this feature, updates can be faster and more efficient. Because with this seamless update feature, the process of downloading and installing the software is completed beforehand, prior to restarting the smartphone. Even though the seamless update process can run in the background, you still need to restart the smartphone after the installation process is finished. However, this is certainly different from the update system in the previous version, which would only download the software while the phone was still in use. And the installation process would only begin after we restarted the smartphone. And of course, this would take longer than on smartphones that already come with this latest seamless update feature. This seamless update feature is very useful because it reduces downtime when updating the smartphone. So if previously we had to wait for the download to finish and then restart the smartphone and install the update, now with the latest seamless update feature, we only need to restart the smartphone. And after restarting the smartphone with this latest feature, it only shows app optimization without having to install the entire software update. So the installation process with this new seamless update feature on S25 series will be much faster than before. Then after restarting and successfully updating the software to the latest version, we will give you some tips after updating your software to the latest version on Samsung smartphone. For the first tip, you can make sure Google Play System Update on your Samsung smartphone has already been updated to the latest version. To check for Google Play System Updates, you can go to your phone settings and then choose Security and Privacy and choose Updates, and then choose Google Play System Updates. If there is a new update, you can download and install it right away from here. Then you can also check what changes were included in your update. To do this, just go to your phone settings, then select Software Update, and then tap on Last Update. In the Last Update section, you'll see what changes were included in that last update. Then the next tip, you can make sure all system apps on your Samsung smartphones have been updated to the latest version. To check all system apps update, you can open the Galaxy Store, then close any pop-up that appears, then select Option at the bottom right, and then choose Updates at the top. In this section, you can immediately see which system apps have the latest updates available. If there are system apps in this list that you haven't yet updated, you can update them right away. Usually after the system updates, you'll see several system apps right here that can be updated to the newest versions. If there are any new features added to these system apps, you can immediately try and enjoy them. Hope you found this video informative and helpful. See you in the next one.